video, your girl is participating in another challenge, but unlike my previous videos that has everything to do with skincare, I decided to make a lifestyle change for a day. Nothing too extreme, but it was super fun to do and I figured I would share it with you guys. So basically I decided to follow Queen Bee, aka Beyonce's workout routine and diet for a day. So I chose to do her vegan diet, which is very known to do like a 22-day plant-based type of thing, which is just overall just super good, gives you great results, makes you feel great. And recently I've just been feeling like super tired and just like just blah. But yeah, I'm gonna stop chatting and let's just get into the video. I'm gonna focus mainly on the meals that I ate, so this is kind of like a what I ate in a day type of video, but I will be including the workout routine that I followed as well. I did a bunch of research online and tried to pick recipes that Beyonce tried and also her workout routine. I'll leave all the links to the recipes and the workout routine that I followed in the description box below. Alrighty you guys, so for breakfast I made a chia pudding. It's recommended to do this the night before and then put it in the freezer overnight. You'll be needing some chia seeds, coconut beverage, maple syrup, and vanilla extract. Then I'll be taking a 1/4 cup of chia seeds and adding that to the bowl, along with 1 tablespoon of maple syrup and 1 cup of dairy-free coconut beverage. I also added 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract that I don't know where the clip for that went, but I did add it. And then when you're done, you're just going to stir everything up, make sure most of the chia seeds aren't sticking on the side of your bowl. Then I'm going to take some plastic wrap and cover my bowl and place it in the refrigerator overnight. You can do this for a few hours, but it is recommended overnight so the chia seeds can fully expand. And as you can see, the next morning it should look a lot like this. The chia seeds have expanded and you'll have a very thick consistency that looks a lot like pudding. And this is optional, but I decided to cut up some strawberries and bananas and add that to my pudding. I personally really liked it with adding fruit. As you can see, I was just not used to the texture, so I give this a sideways thumbs up, but like overall it was good. Now of course Beyonce gets her workout in, so that's exactly what your girl attempted to do. So Beyonce's fitness trainer focuses on this theory called the power move theory, which is basically where you're moving all 4 joints at the same time. So you're burning a lot of fat and you're also really feeling that burn, but getting a lot done in a lot less time. And Cassie Ho's video, which I will definitely attach to the description box, she goes in more detail, and like I said, please follow her video because that's what I did and I just tried my best to do it. My form might be a little off, but overall I think I got a really good workout in, and I definitely learned a lot of new moves that I would practice and incorporate in my future workouts. Alright y'all, so after that workout I was so ready for lunch. So we're having a quinoa, tomato, and cucumber salad. I'll put all the ingredients and measurements in the description box below. But basically I'm going to be taking a 1/2 cup of quinoa. And the package of quinoa recommends like actually washing the quinoa. So I showed you a little bit of me like washing it and rinsing it to make sure it's just nice and clean. I did more of that off camera, and then I poured that into 1 cup of water and I boiled it. It really depends on how you like your quinoa, but I loved how it turned out. It was nice and fluffy. It could be a little soft for some, but make sure just follow the instructions and cook it how you'd like. Then, of course, after your vegetables are nice and clean, you're going to dice up some tomatoes and cucumbers along with parsley. I kind of eyeball this because I didn't make as much as the recipe called for. So if you're making like 1 serving, I would just like cut it depending on how much people are eating it, because these vegetables can get spoiled quickly. So yeah. Then I'm going to be dicing a half of avocado and just cutting that up. And then when you're done adding everything to your quinoa, you want to add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil along with salt and pepper for a taste. And there you have it, voila!
I just personally love the salad so much. It was so refreshing and so hearty. I was full for a very long time. And everything just complemented each other. It was full of flavor but still so fresh and simple. I loved it.
So for dinner we're having the simple vegan hummus quesadillas. Y'all already know the ingredients and measurements will be in the description box below. Alright guys, so first thing I did was put a little bit of olive oil into a skillet and heat that up, and then I added about a 1/4 cup of red peppers that were diced along with 1 small diced garlic clove and 1 cup of baby spinach. And you just want that to cook slightly, not too harshly where everything's burnt or anything, but you want it to be sauteed. So for this recipe, they actually recommended whole wheat tortillas, but I decided to use this brown rice tortilla for the first time, which I actually really liked. So as you can see, I have all the sauteed vegetables, and then I'm going to be taking, I don't even want to give a measurement, just put enough hummus. As you can see, evenly distribute that. It's pretty much like your cheese, as if you were adding cheese. And then you're just going to put all your vegetables on top. And you can do this all in your skillet. I just happen to have a quesadilla maker, so it made it a little easier for me. But there you go, that's it. It was pretty simple and very tasty. Alright you guys, and that's pretty much it. Definitely stick around if you want to see my final thoughts. But if you liked it, like this video, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let me know if you guys give Beyonce's workouts and recipes a try.
Hey guys, so now for dinner. This was a first for me. I have never tried a quesadilla with no dairy product and no meat, and I have to say, your girl was shook. I'm shook still thinking about how amazing it was. I chose my favorite hummus, which you can see it was a tomato type of hummus from Trader Joe's, but I loved it, you guys. It was also full of flavor, so hearty, and it was so warm and delicious. And it was my first time using that type of tortilla, and I was just amazed. I'm okay, I could do this plant lifestyle. This is what's up. But yeah, I really liked the dinner as well. So yeah, you guys, that is pretty much it for my Beyonce challenge. Let me know if you guys enjoyed it. Honestly, I would recommend doing challenges when it comes to anything that's new and kind of intimidating, because it gets you, in that mood, and it gets you really excited. So choose any celebrity that you personally like, and you would be amazed to see how much information about their lifestyle is online. It's kind of crazy. So definitely try that out for yourself if you want to do a switch in your workout and diet routine, but you don't want to be oh my gosh, if I don't do this for a whole month, I'm gonna feel like I failed. No, just try it for a day. If you like it, try it for a week, and so on and so forth. So that is my thoughts on it. I personally enjoyed it. I did learn that I gotta get to the gym or just work out more in general, because I was beat. I didn't enjoy that part at all. But when it came to the food, I was amazed to see how much flavorful food you can create with simple and fresh ingredients. So yeah, you guys, that's all, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you so much.